When the music's over, turn out the lights. It's over. There's no more music. I'm done. I'm done. Yeah. Oh my gosh. How many of you watched the World Series? Wednesday night, the Cubs winning. And such a close game and so many great plays and then the rain. It was just like awesome. And it's so great to just see people playing a game, following the rules. You know, and if somebody, has to make sure somebody gets another run, it's a sacrifice. I just love baseball. In fact, George Carlin did a thing comparing baseball to football. And all of baseball's terms, you wear a cap. Football's a helmet. I could go on and on. I'll have to bring in my list sometime. But it's pretty interesting when I'm glad that they talk about baseball coming back as America's favorite pastime. I do like it, yes. Because when you get the score, you've gone home. I like that. Oh, thanks for listening. All right, well, how about Shenandoah? Shenandoah, and then we'll do Oh Johnny, or Pat won't let me live that down. But I don't know, I guess because I just like river songs, Shenandoah River just popped in my head. Sorry, I don't know if I do know a baseball song, but we don't want to. Take me out to the ball game.
Put me in, coach.
Ocean.